series of earthquake alerts recently prompted temporary class suspensions at Isulan National High School. While safety remained the top priority, concerns were also raised about learning continuity. Here's the report. According to Assistant Principal Christy Cebu Bagayas, the school immediately prioritized the safety of students and staff during the earthquake incidents. Class suspensions were based on advisories from Philvox, the LGU, and the Department of Education, ensuring that students were not exposed to possible risks. Isulan National High School ensures students and parents that both safety and quality education remains its top priorities. This is Isaac, and these are your latest reports for today.